We constantly collide and connect with each other, whether or not we want to. We also encounter one another with and through the material objects that orient us toward, away from, and around each other. For instance, wearing a wedding ring orients someone toward their spouse while sometimes repelling others who might otherwise pursue them. In order to fully understand human connection, then, we must determine how the objects circulating in our material world mediate the bonds we form. To contribute to such an understanding, Objects of Affection, Intimate Exchanges in Early Modern Literature employs historical and literary analysis, as well as object theory, feminist theory, and queer theory, to explore why objects feature so prominently in Renaissance fictions about human connection, and what this reveals about early modern perceptions of intimacy. My analysis adds to the relatively sparse work on intimacy in the field of Renaissance literary criticism. Whereas scholarship on the family, courtship, marriage, sexuality, and friendship abounds, less has been done to theorize how early modern intimacy functioned. Moreover, by thoroughly considering the integral role objects played in intimate relationships, my study theorizes Renaissance intimacy is linked not only to interior thoughts and desires, as it typically has been, but to the materials of the external world. I have chosen to focus on Renaissance British literature because early modern England is a surprisingly rich site from which to reconsider human connection. The term intimacy and its cognates first came into regular use there, and unlike today, these cognates had varied and even seemingly contradictory meanings. Intimacy had not yet stabilized. The heterosexual marital bond was not yet placed at the top of intimate hierarchies, and different types of intimacy were not so neatly codified: friend, lover, spouse, etc. By analyzing the literature of a time when the meanings and social functions of intimacy were in flux, Objects of Affection offers a more comprehensive picture of Renaissance England's intimate landscape than currently exists, and suggests another lens, that of materiality, through which to reconsider intimacy in the past and today.